Mig er nemlig 8 måneder og 2 dage. Nej. Mig er 8 måneder og 2 dage.
Ja. Og hun er det mest intelligente barn, vi længe har set.
Jeg er det mest intelligente barnebarn, så er det ikke sagt for mig.
Hun er et meget intelligent barn. Ja. Kunne lige køre en anden vej?
Så stille er det. Jeg er bange for at sige noget, der kan blive brugt imod af.
Jeg tror mig, jeg kan se det i billedet. Se billedet, Maja.
She's looking at herself.
Maja.
Så har vi løst et af problemerne ved at rejse til Danmark.
Vi tager Maja med hjem på den.
Ja. Hvor skal du være hen, Maja? Skal du være til højre? Vi kan faktisk have 3 Maja af den kuffert der, tror jeg. Vi skal nok lave et lille hul til mad og til luft.
Vi smider slagsetøjet ud, og så kan du være der.
Ja.
Det ser så grimt ud. Jeg kan jo se billederne til Thomas. What a nice pair I found today. Olilla, hvad er det for et kønt ung par? Hvad?
Company party. Company fest.
Du kan vinke til kameraet, Finn.
Jeg er hårdt optaget af at lave kaffe. Det skal man ikke lade sig forstyrre i.
How was the water, Thomas?
Cold.
Cold.
Og det er til garagen.
Nå, ja.
Det går lige på den der var.
Men det vil sige, at du skal lade sig stadig ud og åbne garageporten.
Ja, desværre. Okay.
You must give a whip. Oh my God.
You already had the green one, so I would like to call this speech my big brother.
You get a bit embarrassed when all the other sisters has performed something, given a speech. So we are going to improvise a little. And we're going to make up, or use a tradition, the music list. So Thomas, we need you up here because nobody or no one has never in this room, except for Malala, has really seen how you criticized her, and you're going to do that now.
What?
See, I don't know. You make your move to this lady. We want you to share it. We want you to share it.
Did I just choose the yellow speech now?
But you know, when you go out and you hang out in a cafe and look at girls, you don't do that on your own. You have your friends with you. So Jeppe, Sten og alle andre, jeres navn der, det gider jeg ikke. Kom op. We need you to support this guy. Yes. He's gonna meet his wife tonight. You get his headphones on? You're gonna sing a song? And just to make sure that you look cool and okay. We are the world. Yes, we are. So are you ready? And are you supposed to? You're supposed to guess which song it is. But take your time. So Thomas is in front of this boy group called Boys Song. You ready? Yeah. Yeah.
First of all, I can't sing.
And get your lighters out. Are you ready, Thomas?
We got a lot of support now. You know you can trust.
Are you ready, Olala? I'm ready. Okay, here it comes.
Kan I ikke lige fortælle, hvordan I har det?
Frygtelig fantastisk.
Frygtelig fantastisk.
Frygtelig fantastisk.
Jeg er træt.
Jævnt træt. Har der nogen, der ondt i hovedet?
Nej, egentlig ikke. Mere mangel på søvn efter til nattens blæsspil.
Er der nogen, der har snorket ude i teltet?
Du kan gå ned og optage Jeppe.
Jeg fik faktisk en lille optagelse med Jeppe. Jeg kunne ikke rigtig filme, men der var en, der snorkede.
Ja, når du har fået derfra fra...
By dense oak forests, it often happened that one of the giants of the forest was felled by the tempest, and often then it came to rest in the vast bogs. The bog of all places met the requirements for preserving the wood, the tannin contained in the bog water hardening the wood and giving it its rich dark glow. It became Denmark's well-known bog oak. And their bodies have been preserved. We went to go see one in the museum near Aarhus last 2 Christmases ago.
A body?
A body, yeah, the bog man. Bogman. No, that's not how you say it. How do you say bog?
Mose.
Mose.
Was he like a skeleton or?
No, that was the funny thing about it. He has got all his skin and hair
så
How can he be preserved?